Hey guys, this is Gus One Bear.
I'm K-Bear.
Welcome to our channel. It's been about 2 weeks since Hurricane Irma came through, devastated parts of Florida. Unfortunately, a lot of the Caribbeans took a hit. Puerto Rico got hit twice now, and the Dominica and Cuba, and us Floridians, we took a good hit. It was a storm that just couldn't get away from. So today we're going to decide to get our poles and go fishing. The problem is that a lot of the spots that we like to go fishing, they are destroyed. The Everglades National Park, west along the State Road 41, Everglades City, Naples, all these areas, all these prime fishing spots are down. So just today is going to be one of those days we're going to get out and just try to have a little fun and forget about all the madness that we've been dealing with. So for those of you that have been affected by the storm, our thoughts and prayers, we feel for you. Our folks up in Texas and Florida Keys, absolutely. We have lots of friends, and we also have family in the Keys, and we're constantly praying for them. They're dealing with so much right now, and it's a lot. I could see how fear and stress and anxiety could just kick in a moment's notice. So you're in our thoughts and prayers.
Yeah, guys, we really feel for you. We love the Keys. We go down there all the time. We got married down there. We've got some good friends, and just our family and friends that are dealing with damage, destruction. We're really thinking of them and just praying for them. We know they'll come back quick. It's a lot, but the Keys people are strong, and they'll come back.
Absolutely. And also want to give a shout out to our families and friends. You guys have definitely done so much for us and taken good care of us, and we love you. We thank you. It's been very heartfelt. People stepping in and helping out. We have wonderful neighbors.
Yeah, we do. We have a great church family as well. So, but yeah, we're good. We're ready to try to get out and just not think about it a little bit and try to go fishing. The weather's not great today, but we're gonna see.
We're just gonna do it regardless.
We're gonna see if we can get something. So, but anything just to get out of the house.
Yeah.
And
you're watching
Two Bears Outdoors.
That's right. There you go.
I think that is tiny.
There you go.
A little bit.
Good bass. Fine. Try to get him like that. Chunker. Oh, that's an Oscar. That's an Oscar. Bring him up. Wow. That's an Oscar. That's a cichlid. One of the first cichlids that, those are one of the first cichlids ever introduced here back in the 1950s.
Wow, he's a pretty fish. He's heavy though. I'm just excited to catch a fish. But this is a pretty big one. I mean, it's an Oscar. He's like really heavy, a really chunky fish. So, and this is the light tackle, and Gus is sort of getting me to use that a little more. I'm still learning in some of this. I mean, I've fished since I was a little girl, but just for fun, you know. So now I'm trying to learn a little more about it. So, but it's a really pretty fish. I'm excited. Yay!
Good job.
It's another microfish.
There you go. Got a bluegill.
It's a little bigger than
That's a bluegill.
the microfish.
Microfish. There you go. Congrats.
That wasn't a very good cast.
What do you think? There you go.
Nope, he got off.
He got off. It's just good to watch my wife enjoy herself and get her mind off of things. So we are here, and mosquitoes starting to get bad. I mean, not as bad, but boy, they're buzzing around and they're biting, especially me with shorts. So, so we just set up one rod, you know, with bait, and hopefully we'll be landing a catfish here pretty soon.
Seeing lightning in the background.
There's lightning behind you.
Yeah, there's lightning behind you too. Oh. So guys, the gear that I was using earlier was the Cast King Mela 2 and the collapsible Black Hawk, which I love those rods. They're fabulous. And then what I'm using right now is the Cast King Perigee 2 rod and the Sharky 2 reel.
We need to catch a fish. We are bored. There's a light show. There are bugs all around us. Mosquitoes. Woo. La, 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 la. Mosquitoes, go away. Give me a kiss, baby. That's right. Oh. Woo. That's right, baby. Come on, you forgot how to dance?
I can't dance in the grass.
Fishy, please bite so we can get a video going. Come on, give it back. Give it back.
Oh,
Yes, we are bored. The mosquitoes are eating us. And no fish. We got a fabulous light show behind us. And the bugs are not giving up. All right. Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Look at that camera. I guess the catfish still did not realize that there's a shrimp out there. We're going to reel it in and pack up. And I think, baby, it's time to go.
Oh,
Yeah? We are in the truck. We're finally packed up. We're going to decide to stick around for a little bit. It feels like we're in a drive-in movie. We're here facing the west, and we got some phenomenal light show and hanging out with my best friend and my beautiful wife, K-Bear.